Before you start, disconnect your WaterStillar Wall by pulling the plug. After you've gained access to the inside of your wall system, close the valve above the carbon filter. Then, pull out the tube from the quick connect fitting by pressing in the shoulder and then pulling the tube. Unscrew the tri-clamp fitting. Take care, it may be hot. Make sure you hold on to everything so that it doesn't fall off. With clean hands, remove the mesh. Empty the used carbon and throw it away. Rinse the filter for old carbon and disinfect the tube and mesh filters. Refill new activated carbon all the way up. Remove everything so that the gasket will work. Place the mesh filter gasket in the groove. Now comes the most tricky part. Get help and hold the filter in place when you reassemble with the tri-clamp. Tighten. Insert the drinking water tube back into the fitting. Make sure it goes all the way in. Remember to reopen the valve to the drinking water tank and flush until the water is clear. Plug in your WaterStillar Wall system and you're good to go for the next 6 months.